It's just the way we do it up here in Maine.
What's going on, everybody? I'm Derek Blucher. You're watching The Maine Catch. It's about 5:45 in the morning right now. Headed over to meet up with my buddy Tori. Gonna do a little turkey hunting this morning. Hopefully we get one. This is our 4th attempt over here at this property. We've come close a few times, but no cigar. We can't hunt for very long today. Probably about 2-3 hours. I gotta get back to hunting camp today. Me and the boys are gonna be redoing the foundation at hunting camp. So, big project. Should be a lot of fun. And you guys will be right alongside me. So, let's go get them. What up, Tori?
Good morning.
We're gonna do a little run and gun action today. I thought we were gonna sit and wait, but we're gonna go run and gun and let's go get them. Shoot it. You just almost stepped on a turkey. Dude, you just almost stepped on a turkey. Shoot that. So, Tori just almost stepped on a hen. Look what we found. Turkey eggs. Whoa. That was crazy.
That's a first.
We were literally just walking along this old tote road through all these brambles, and the hen was sitting right here. Tori just literally almost stepped on it, and it flew off in the woods over there. Flew off over there somewhere. But check that out. Fresh turkey eggs. Certainly don't see that every day. But we're gonna leave the eggs undisturbed so that the mama hen will come back. She'll come back for them, that's for sure. Wow. I just wanted to give Danny a big shout out. Thank you, Danny. We appreciate you letting us come here and hunt in your land. Hopefully you let us come here and do some deer hunting, because I keep seeing all these beautiful whitetail.
I don't know. Can you guys see all this stuff falling? You see it? It looks like snow a little bit.
It's spring snow. A special type of year where it's hot out, but there's pom-poms for snow.
It's all dandelion seeds, I think, flying.
Okay, so earlier I told you guys I was going to go to a hunting camp and fix the foundation. Well, I had a couple of my real good buddy here, my brother-in-law, come and help me. This is Sten Feldman. You've seen him from previous videos.
Are you double barred? One of them was broken.
Ready?
Up, go up. And my brother-in-law, Corey Belfay, came over and fixed this dang foundation. So, what you're looking at here, this was all a rock wall down underneath here. And we punched out all the rock wall, carried most of it out over here and all that cement. Put in cement down here for a foundation. Built these beams, or cut these beams and put them in place right on top of these. We hemlock 2x8s, rough cut down to the 8x8 hemlock rough cut, getting it all fixed up. So then if you come around here on the other side, I know it looks like hell, but same thing is going to happen over here, including this little section on this here. This addition is going to be all leveled out, jacked up. Floor's going to be ready to go for the next 60 years. Whew! Now that we're done, I don't know what time it is. What time is it? Probably closing on 6. So I went turkey hunting this morning, fixed foundation. Now it's time to go fishing. Yeah! Yeah, let's go get them.
We are tying on a leader, tapered leader on the fly line.
What is that tool?
Fly rod. This is just a nail knot tool, and you use that to do the knot because you have to put the tag end into the hole and then slide it off with the line going inside several wraps.
New Sharon, Maine. Look how beautiful it is. Explain what you're doing now.
What I want to do is take the memory out of the line because it's got all these coils in it, and usually I have a piece of leather in my vest that does this, but I don't have it. So I'm going to take a leather glove, and it should do the same thing. And then you just run it through and stretch it. And it takes the memory out of it.
Look at that.
Isn't that a pretty knot?
Yeah, dude, it's a great knot. You never know what you're going to get when you come down here.
This is awesome.
We just had that flood, so this whole river's changing. So I didn't get it on film, you guys, but a few weeks back, here, sorry, let you face me. So a few weeks back, we had a massive flood. I mean, massive. And it changed the river quite a bit, so I'm still wondering how this is going to go. I got to relearn the river. Oh, but it looks like we still have the shelf there. Here, I'll show you. We got a nice sandy beach. Check this out. Nice sandy beach. Good place to fish. There's that shelf of rocks right there. And right down below it, there usually is a bunch of fish. Usually my spot is out there in the middle, but the water's a little high right now. Heck yeah, let's see if we can't catch a fish.
All right. Woo! That's what I'm talking about right there. Sandy River brook trout right there. Look at that beauty. Nice brookie. What a day we had today. Turkey hunt in the morning. Got to see some turkey eggs. Fixing the camp's foundation. Coming out here and catching some beautiful brook trout. Just the way we do it up here in Maine. Woo!
And as you can see, folks, I'm filming this myself, so I do apologize if the footage isn't 100%. Look at this. I'm about to catch a fish with my bare hands. No way. See you later, little guy. He was trapped in the rocks. Looks like. Well, that was cool. Another interesting find. Ooh, we're gonna hit this real quick. This is nice. Right at the end of all this harsh water here. Fish on, baby, fish on. Trout? Oh no, bass! It's a small bass. Oh, see you later, little guy. Fish on. Nice. Another bass. Woo! Awesome. Fish hands. Fish on. Woo! Ooh, you got it good.